Hi, this is Ming from Optilink. I'm here to show you how to download and install Job Converter for converting Sunix jobs to Optilink Online. So first thing, you go to Software, go to Optilink website, and go to Software. Under Software, there's one link called Optilink. Click Learn More. Down the bottom, there's in the middle have an Optilink Job Converter. You can download this one, and sometimes I will say not allowed, but you choose keep, and keep anyway. They might have security reasons or things. So open it up and double click to install. For Windows 10 or above, it might have a protection screenshot. So you click run anyway, and click yes, and click accept. Put in the password. The password you can check with your account manager or business development manager or your local lab manager. Click next. Then this is default location. Yes, we're going to install that. And now we're ready to launch. First time to launch, you need to read and agree the terms and conditions. From here, you can put in your Optilink account code. So we put in our demo account, default as database, and you need to find a Sunix database path. Normally, they will have a path on V drive. But here we have a demo, so we put on in Optilink D drive, and we'll point it to the data folder. Then close. From here, you can type in your job number. Need to update. That's a job. So after that, you can fill in information and if index, choose if anything you feel like you want to do, and you tick that, and then click transfer. The job will send to Optilink Online. So we'll say test online. This is job inside Optilink Online straight away. You can process and click send now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.